This is the robot we designed for the Capture the Flag style competition. The robot's goal was to get to the other side of the arena before the opposing robot got to its starting side. Our robot has two Arduinos, which allowed us to use two batteries. The back battery powers the bumper wheels and line sensors, and the front battery powers the driving wheels and the proximity sensor. The Arduinos do not communicate. The back one is only there for power. On the bottom of the robot are four infrared light sensors that allow the robot to follow a line using the straddle the line approach as shown. The robot makes use of wide arc turns to keep it moving forward as quickly as possible. On the front of the robot is a proximity sensor that allows the robot to detect and avoid obstacles in its path. When the robot gets too close to an obstacle, it backs up and moves to the left, then turns right and straightens out until it finds the line again. Also, on the front of the robot is a pair of bumper wheels. These wheels turn outward and serve to push aside opponents and guide the robot to the exit. In this run, the proximity sensor malfunctioned, but even with the driving wheels only going straight, the bumper wheels allowed the robot to shove aside its enemy and find the exit. The robot is also designed to back up if it gets flipped up. Furthermore, if the robot finds a second obstacle while avoiding an obstacle, it will turn the other direction. This keeps it pointed toward the exit. In this run, everything was working properly. Note how the robot avoids the obstacle, backs up when it gets flipped up, and turns toward the exit when it encounters the wall. Overall, our strategy was to minimize the complexity of the code needed to handle encounters with obstacles and other robots by implementing a clever and aggressive hardware design that would guide our robot around obstacles and push opposing robots out of the way.